Okay, today I want to show you how to grow your YouTube channels. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, why you posting each week videos is not more? Why? Because there's some problems. You have to fix the problem to get it right view or to right profit, right? So in this video, I want to show you step by step you are going to get the right viewers or the right profit to get the millions of viewers. Okay, exactly like return viewers impression, and then so you are going to get many viewers. So I want to show you there's a two websites you get first right viewers. So how we are good. So after because when 8 week you post videos, your video is going to be on the top of other on YouTube first third engine, right? So in this case, I want to show you how to get it. Look on this one. You see here, this one is a digital marketing. Um, really, this one website is in the post sale. So this website is a very good tool for SEO. It's a very good for keyword, how to generate AI, and then competition and subscribe. So this website will help you. You will get your right cost. Very important. Now I already just created by free, but if you want it, go to also buy the 50% to upgrade, then you are going to uh, make it the right decision. You are going to fix it the problem. So I want to show you you are going to fix the problem and then to get the right viewers, million of viewers. Okay, let's go to here. Look, only just say we want to digital marketing course. Okay, if you want to make a digital marketing course, so if you want to make a video for digital marketing to upload on YouTube, or you have any kind of digital marketing blog post, I don't know, but you wanted to target the keyword, right? It's a very important keyword. Find the right keyword. If you get your own million of keywords you're using, so but if you are not using the right keyword, it's a big problem. Because of that, you have to find the right keyword. Those are the people thinking way. So I want to show you, you are going to target those how to do it. So come to this website just to create by your web email. Then so you can use by free, but it does not give you like a but more keyword because we are using the free. If you upgrade, you will find here pro, you will buy millions. You will find the right titles, you will find the right, keywords. So let's go to check this one. Only Bitcoin market. Like, wow, this is the how beautiful, why? Because if this is the higher and the red, will be problem because when you want to target in the right, because if your website is small, it's difficult to target very high number, right? But if your channel is there's a million of people viewers, you are going to target like this one. This one, you are going to target like this. So your video on the top, third maybe your video on the top for all other videos. Because of that, so many people they use it like this, they get a million viewers with days and then they make a lot of money. So guys, and also another website I want to share with you, this one, RapidTags. This one also is so easy to target or to get the right keywords. Right? I'm also using here this one. So easy to get. Except free. For TikTok also, guys, we have TikTok and then also for YouTube. It's very amazing. Let me show you how to do it later. I guess we want to make a Python code. Okay, we want to Python code or Python tag, right? Let's say Python. Uh, Yeah, guys, look, give me a million of so this tax you are going to use exactly this tax your people are always searching. So you don't need to there is other, but this one I think is the 80% or 70% you're going to need it to target, okay? So this 70%, 80% is good. And then the 2%, 20% or 10% you are going to act, okay? But so this one it will give you like 80%. So you are going to target the right customers. Good, right? So because in when in the keyword YouTube you need the 500 5,000 tags, right? So in that, so because you need this one, okay? So no, 500 guys, so we have 500 tags words. So I think within the 470 tags, so you need 30, 30 tags. So that's meaning only you need the two tags of like the 30 tag, 30 word. Only two or one word like this so it will be for 500, okay? So this course guys, so using this tool it will help you to fix the real world problems and will help you with many things. And so don't forget guys, if you like it or not, and so thank you for watching, and then see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now. This is free, and if you guys don't really like digital marketing courses. So you find here many things interesting. You're going to find. Bye for now.